Attention passionate Dallas Cowboys fans, breaking news. Something big is happening in the NFC East, and it could completely change the course of the season. We're talking about a move that could have a direct impact on the Cowboys' race for another title. Potential power shift that could leave a divisional rival stumbling for years to come. And you're hearing it here first. But before we dive into the updates, if you're a true Cowboys fan, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and help strengthen this community of fans that never gives up. Let's push together toward 8,000 subscribers, showing the power of the Blue and Silver Nation. Now let's get into it. The current NFL landscape is more unpredictable than ever. And for Cowboys fans, this season has been a true roller coaster, filled with thrilling moments and nerve-wracking challenges. But what if I told you that some recent trade rumors could shift the balance of power within the division? That's right. There's a real, though small, chance that some big defensive names, especially elite edge rushers, could be available on the market. Among the names mentioned are Max Crosby of the Las Vegas Raiders and Trey Hendrickson of the Cincinnati Bengals. Two players capable of transforming any defense, with their relentless pressure on opposing quarterbacks. Now, you might be wondering, are they really available? The answer is maybe. Sources close to the situation and NFL insiders report that, while neither player has been officially placed on the trade block, conversations are happening behind the scenes. And that has everyone on alert, including the Cowboys. Let's understand why this is such a big deal. The Dallas Cowboys have been searching for a player who can complement their defensive line and bring consistent pressure on the quarterback. The defense has shown flashes of brilliance, but it still lacks that constant impact. The type of player who can single-handedly decide games. Crosby and Hendrickson are exactly that kind of player. They're productive, relentless, and bring an energy that can completely change the tone of a game. It's no surprise that teams like the 49ers and Eagles are also watching closely. After all, in the NFL, pressure wins games. According to Charles Robinson, Yahoo Sports, there's a real possibility that Max Crosby could be traded if the offer is irresistible. The phrase, "for the right price," is key here. The Raiders highly value Crosby, but an offer involving a first-round pick and additional draft capital could make them think twice. Just imagine that. One of the best pass rushers in the league changing teams mid-season. That would be a move capable of shifting the balance of power in the NFC. And what about Trey Hendrickson? Sources say the Bengals might consider trading their top defender depending on the outcome of their next game against the Chicago Bears. If Cincinnati loses and falls to 3-6, the team might decide to begin a rebuild and look for draft capital. But if they win, Hendrickson likely stays, trying to lead another playoff push. In other words, this game could define the future of the franchise and the player. Meanwhile, the Cowboys are watching closely. Reports indicate that the team has already made calls to check on Crosby's situation and shown interest in Hendrickson. The 49ers, on the other hand, have already added a pass rusher recently but remain alert. And the Eagles, led by Howie Roseman, never miss a good opportunity. If there's a chance to add a defensive star, he'll take it. Now imagine the impact of such a move in Dallas. Bringing in a name like Crosby or Hendrickson would elevate the Cowboys' defense to a whole new level, making it even more dangerous in late-game situations. And with the trade deadline quickly approaching, any rumor could become reality in a matter of days. For fans, this means stay tuned, because this move could be the difference between a deep playoff run and an early exit. Meanwhile, teams like the Raiders and Bengals might see these deals as a chance to rebuild their rosters and stockpile draft picks. Of course, all of this is still speculation. The NFL is a league where anything can happen, and the trade market can change overnight. Still, the very fact that these rumors exist shows that the Cowboys are alert and ready to act at any moment. Now think about it. What if Dallas actually landed one of these defense